Doc Saki's laboratory. I'm here to announce phase 4 is finished, which is the interior. There's the wheels. One of them is on, but I'm going to show you the interior. Door panels are on. Let's take a walk through on everything. You can see the dimple-dyed theme based on the door handle, the door panel, bolt cage, and bolt cage on A-pillars. So that tied in the whole thing together. The steel fasteners coming across here, steel fasteners kind of across the back. The other panel is on. Just kind of got steel fasteners here. Those are actually titanium, but excuse me, Doc Saki had a cough. Just kind of curious the theme on that stuff. So here we've got my brake bias valve for the rear brakes, dialing rear brakes in and out of it. Those are my gauges here. They'll light up. That's my battery cutoff switch here. Biometric safe. Oh, forgot, got something in there. And here's my fire extinguishers. Put in element fire extinguishers on both sides. So, then if you recall, we've got paddle shifters both sides here. Just put this into drive, and once I touch paddle up top, it resorts to that. Once I move the gear shift down here, from any position it's in, it takes it out of paddle mode back into console mode. So, let's get that annoying thing off. Let's fire up the keys here. I actually wired it in a way that when this is off, and even if my key's out, my buzzer's still on. I tied it into this, so then when I turn my battery off, it tells me I've got to turn my kill switch off each time, which I like. So then I don't forget to get a drain on my battery. There's the battery right back here. And I can push that little button and it tells me how full my battery is. Kind of a trick little thing. Seat belts are on retractors. If you pull them fast, they lock. Otherwise, they will pull all the way out. So, that was a lot of work. It's pretty much finished. I'm a happy man. I can move to the rear suspension now, which is down there. Got some of my parts here. That's tightened down. That's one of my lifetime Heims. That's about $170 just for that one. There's going to be 4 of them back here. And that's pretty much it. I got to clean things up before I get the truck down, flip it around, and start on the rear. Y'all have a good day.